Hi children, welcome to Center Maths. Today we are going to see differential calculus. This is very important problem and a different concept also. Problems. If minus 1 by root 3 less than x less than 1 by root 3, this is the x interval. Differentiate tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square with respect to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So this is a function with respect to another trigonometric function. So this is very important concept and a different problem also. Solution. Let u is equal to this first function, tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. This is u. Consider. And v is equal to second term, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. This is second. For trigonometry tan inverse of some 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square question. So in this x place, just substitute. Put x is equal to tan theta. Because outside tan inverse, if you substitute tan theta, I will get the trigonometric formula. For that, I have assigned x equal to tan theta. Implies u is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now u is equal to tan inverse of, this is one trigonometry formula you studied already in 11th standard. Tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta formula 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So the entire term replaced by tan 3 theta. At the same time, therefore, u is equal to tan inverse of tan x, inverse property, only 3 theta. U is equal to, you are getting 3 theta. Next, come to the point v. V is equal to tan inverse of 2 into x place change to tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This is again trigonometry formula. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is called tan 2 theta. Trigonometry formula you got to by heart. This is tan 2 theta. Again v is equal to tan inverse of tan x, inverse property, only 2 theta. Now you are getting u is equal to tan 3 theta, v is equal to 2 theta. Now given, what it is given? Given minus 1 by root 3 less than x less than plus 1 by root 3 interval. X lies between minus 1 by root 3 to 1 by root 3 open interval. Now use this given condition. Instead of x, substitute minus 1 by root 3 less than tan theta less than plus 1 by root 3 implies this tan theta, bring it this side, tan inverse of minus 1 by root 3. That value is minus pi by 6 less than theta. This tan, bring it that side, tan inverse of plus 1 by root 3, that value is plus pi by 6. Now we are getting 3 theta. So each term multiply by 3 theta. So minus pi by 2 less than 3 theta less than plus pi by 2. One answer. And this entire term multiply with 2 theta. So what is your answer? Minus pi by 3 less than 2 theta less than plus pi by 3. Use this condition. Your interval lies between 3 theta interval lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. 2 theta value lies between minus pi by 3 to plus pi by 3. So according to this, tan theta, this u is equal to, already you got 3 theta. That means u is equal to 3 into this theta is changed for tan inverse of x. Like this. Theta means tan inverse of x. So according to this, theta is equal to u is equal to tan inverse of x. Then v is equal to 2 theta What do you mean theta? V is equal to 2 into tan inverse of x. This is your u, this is your v. Now differentiate u with respect to x, differentiate v with respect to x. That you have to do now. Du by dx. What do you mean du by dx? U is equal to 3 tan inverse of x. Du by dx is equal to 3 into tan inverse of x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square. At the same time, what do you get v value? 2 tan inverse of x. dv by dx, differentiate v with respect to x. 2 into tan inverse of x differentiation formula 1 by 1 plus x square. Now we want differentiate u with respect to v. That is our final answer. Because this function is u, this function is v. Differentiate u function with respect to v. That means find du by dy. That means you have to find du by dv, not y. Du by dv. So what do you mean du by dv? How will you get it? Du by dx answer divided by dv by dx answer. Now dx cancel, you are getting du by dv. Then du by dx answer what? 3 by 1 plus x square divided by dv by dx answer is this. 2 by 1 plus x square. Now 3 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square by 2. Cancel this reciprocal. 3 by 2. This is our value of differentiate u function with respect to v, which is equal to 3 by 2. Both functions are in the trigonometry format. See the question. If x value lies between minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3, differentiate trigonometrical terms with respect to trigonometry terms. So this is totally different concept. So this based problem, how will you do it? Revision. U is equal to the first function, v is equal to second function. Take like this. And x place substitute this tan inverse. So you replace by tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. They put the place x equal to tan theta. Now you are getting the trigonometry formula 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is equal to tan 3 theta. Then tan inverse tan cancel 3 theta. Like this way you got to follow v. Tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This is the trigonometry formula tan 2 theta. After that tan inverse tan cancel v equal to 2 theta. Next given interval lies between 3 theta value lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Our 2 theta value lies between minus pi by 3 to pi by 3. So we can apply instead of theta tan inverse of x. Here also instead of theta tan inverse of x. Because the reason is x is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of x. According to the reason. Then another question, u is equal to 3 tan inverse of x. So du by dx, right side x with respect to x. 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square. This is tan inverse formula. And v is equal to 2 tan inverse of x. dv by dx equal to 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. We need to find du by dv. So du by dx answer divided by dv by dx answer. Then substitute the values. Then reciprocal it. 3 by 2 is the answer. So, is there any doubt? Clarify with me. My contact email ID. Email ID is Saras, SARAS, ABHI, Sarasabi 2013 at gmail.com. Your further doubt clarification, online tuition also taking. Thank you, children.